Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive, loosen the screw securing the base cover to slide and lift the cover off the system. Find the hard drive module and press the blue tabs to unlatch it. Remove the module from the system. Flip the module over and unlatch the hard drive from the module to remove it. To reinstall the hard drive, relatch it to the module. Flip the module over, place it back in the system, and latch it into place. Secure the base cover with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.